Ever feel like budgeting is more stress than success? You're not alone. Most people start with good intentions but end up ditching their budget in frustration. But here's the thing, budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving yourself financial freedom to spend on what truly matters. And today, I'm going to help you avoid 3 major budgeting mistakes that keep people broke. Stick around till the end because I'll share a simple, foolproof way to budget that actually works. Hey there, welcome back, or if you're new, a huge welcome to you. This is where we dive deep into financial and personal growth, keeping God at the heart of everything we do. I believe that you are in the right space for a life-transforming journey, so do well to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell for more amazing content to help you become the best version of who God has created you to be. Without wasting your time, let's delve into today's video. The first mistake: forgetting about one-off expenses. We all focus on monthly bills, but what about that holiday trip, Christmas gifts, annual car insurance? When these expenses pop up unexpectedly, they can wreck your budget and send you scrambling for a credit card. Here's a quick fix. Divide your annual expenses by 12 and set aside that amount every month. For example, if your car insurance costs $120 a year, put aside $10 a month in your budget. When the bill comes, you're covered. No last-minute panic, no debt. Next up, budgeting too aggressively. Think of a super strict diet. Ever tried cutting out all sugar and then suddenly found yourself binge eating cake? The same thing happens with money. If your budget cuts out all fun spending, you're setting yourself up for failure. Instead, create a guilt-free spending fund. This is money set aside for the small things that bring you joy. Coffee, dinner with friends, a new book. When you plan for fun, you're less likely to blow your budget impulsively. Last but not least, setting unrealistic financial goals. I get it, you're motivated, you want results now, but slashing your spending too fast is like trying to run a marathon without training. It's not sustainable. Instead, take it step by step. If your grocery bill is $500 and you want to cut it to $350, don't do it overnight. Reduce by $50 a month over 3 months. Small, consistent changes are the key to long-term financial success. There you have it. 3 simple fixes to make your budget work for you. Now it's time to take action. Try these strategies for a month and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest budgeting challenge? And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more faith-driven financial wisdom. See you in the next video.